Good morning. In the continuation of 11 forgotten rules from Bob Proctor, today we will discuss about the law of forgiveness. Law of forgiveness states that we must learn to accept our mistakes and letting go of it completely. We have got to realize that even if we have done some mistakes or someone has done wrong to us, we can't always hold it. We must learn to forgive ourselves as well as others because we will not move in the right direction if we are holding it back. When we do something wrong or we are keeping some grudge for the wrongs that have been done to us, it makes a wall between your past and present. So we must forgive, we must learn to forgive to demolish that wall and reunite from past to present. We must excel ourselves to forgive the mistakes or the grudge for us as well as to others to reunite ourselves with the road to the success in present. For example, if you are an employee and you have some heated argument with your boss and you are thinking from the tomorrow that I cannot go with him because yesterday we had some heated argument and he will consider that. In that case, what happens in the progress of the department or the purpose of you are doing the job is step down there. It is put on hold. Similarly, the other side, the boss also not should consider that yesterday this man has done something wrong and we need to carry this out, and so we have to hold this and we should not listen to him. On the both side, either you have done or your boss has done, we must not carry it forward. Just we consider this that this is an event. There is nothing related to the today's. It happened in the past and let's forget it. One thing. Second thing, when you are uniting, when you are forgiving to your past deeds or something grudge that have been done for wrongs, for that you are holding it, if you are forgetting this, if you are forgive this, you reunite with the road to the success and continue on the path to receive more and more, achieve more and more. So, in conclusion, we must forgive, we must forgive, we must learn to forgive to us as well as to others in order to continue on the path of success. That's all. Thank you very much. In the next video, we will come back with both the law of forgiveness and the law of non-resistance in Hindi. That's all. Bye-bye.